Welcome to a quick overview of Configs.Cloud. Any software will have configuration management built within it. This is one of the first things all developers learn, is not to hard code any configurations. Typically configuration management is done using property files, XML files, database, or more recently YAML files. All of these custom implementations have quite few drawbacks. Most of them are non-standard implementations. They are not interoperable with other systems and each application ends up reinventing the wheel again and again. They are not easy to extend, and sometimes even between different application versions, and most of them are not secure enough. Also, in most cases, as they do not contribute directly to the business, there is no time or resources allocated for extensibility or maintenance. These are just few of the problems associated with a typical configuration management software. So let's discuss what are the ideal use cases for a standard configuration management solution and what does Configs.Cloud bring in. A standard configuration management solution should be able to store configurations at the very minimum and be able to version each of config updates. It should be able to store passwords securely along with other connectivity settings. Each config should be environment aware and one should be able to compare values between environments. Management or other teams should be able to view configs when needed. One should be able to query config for a subset, rather than always dealing with a large set of configs. Some of the non-functional requirements are, all configs should be stored and retrieved securely. The WHO platform should have high availability and should be built on a standards-based platform with complete auditing for all changes on configurations. If we were to add some optional requirements as well, then they would be that the solution should support multi-level configurations and that it should support real-time or hot update capability. So let's take a look at what is Configs.Cloud and how this free software resolves these problems. This is a standard implementation of typical use cases. This is a hosted software which is completely free for both commercial and personal use. This software is best suited for cloud-based applications to manage and query configurations. This is ideal for DevOps implementations or digital or web or mobile platforms. Useful for platform configurations, especially if provisioning is automated. Ideal for web-based applications. Also works well for internal hosted business applications with on-premise hosted Configs.Cloud instance. Of the big list of ideal use cases, Configs.Cloud covers almost all of them at this point and the rest are expected in near future. Do watch this space on the website for more information and latest updates on features. Let's take a look at how does Configs.Cloud work. In any config management solution there are two parties which interact. One is the user or person managing the configuration and the second is the software which uses the configs either at start time or at real time. With configurations stored at Configs.Cloud, you can manage configs while a software can query the configurations. There is a fully featured management console which the user can access for either editing, adding, deleting, or viewing different versions of configurations or comparing config values between environments. The software can connect and use the added data via APIs. Simply sign up to Configs.Cloud to start using the software immediately. Thank you for watching and feel free to contact us at our communities forum in case of any questions or suggestions. Details for further information are on our website. Thank you.